Hi, I'm John Thielen. I want to show you how to rig a spring float. Now, a spring float is the type of float that you want to use when you're fishing in shallow water, and it's a pretty easy system to put together. Let me show you how this works. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tie on my hook, and I'm just going to use a really simple fisherman's knot to do that. I'm going to twist it several times. I'm going to go down through the bottom loop with the tag end of the line, and then back up through the second loop that was created. And all I've got to do then is pull it tight. Now after doing that, I'm going to trim the tag line that comes off of that hook a little bit. So we're just going to take that little bit of tag line off of there. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my split shot on. And this is another time that I want you to use that pliers, because when you're doing this, a lot of times people think that you should use your teeth, but that's a good way to chip a tooth. So when I put that split shot on there, all I do is I take my pliers and I just crimp it shut. And now it's tight on there. And this is where you get to the point where you're going to put your float on. So now we're going to decide how deep, how far down we want to fish. Let's say we want to fish about that far below the surface. All I'm going to do is take this float, I'm going to pull this spring up, and I'm going to slide the line right in there. And then when I let go of that spring, it's going to be fixed right in this spot. So now we're going to fish that far below the surface when we cast it out. So all we got to do now, put some bait on there and start catching fish.